Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here to show you about a new trade-in we just got in, a 2017 330 Outrage. What a phenomenal boat this is. It's in really good shape. Let's show some of the features. Starting in the back, it's powered by the twin 350 Mercs, ton of horsepower, very fast boat, great hole shot. Large live well in the back here. If you are fishing rather, you can just fold that up. Nice leaning post. As we move over here, you've got the dive door, which really does a lot of things for you. It's a great entry on and off the boat with a really strong, sturdy ladder that goes in here. Easy to bring the fish in. Wonderful option here. A secondary live well, huge live well. So you got two really big live wells here, one under the seat. So plenty of room for your bait. And then you lift this up. You got a nice prep area, cutting bait, making sandwiches, any of those things there. Let's move to the helm. So you got the twin Raymarine touchscreens. So you got the backup on that. So you got plenty of GPS options on this. You can split the screens and everything. You got the digital throttle and shift, and also you've got the skyhook. I'm on skyhook right now. It's keeping me locked in position. The boat doesn't move. It stays within a very short distance. Also fantastic to dock. I can go sideways easily in this boat. You can dock anywhere, anytime. Also has the auto heading, which is an autopilot. Very easy to use. Fantastic option. Got jump seats on the side, so you got a jump seat right there for additional seating. And then you got a very large head with a vacuum flush in it. So plenty of room down there, changing your clothes, storage. You'll see all the fishing rods in there as well. So big storage with inside the head. So we move to the bow. Very nice lounger, 2 to 3 person lounger up in the front. So very, very comfortable for riding up here if you're not fishing. And then storage-wise, as you can see, a ton of storage. You got he's got 10 fishing rods in there, nicely stored underneath. You've got a sun top that goes out that gives you full shade back here on the bow as well. And then as we move, you got the U-shaped seating on the bow, and then you get the recessed windlass on the front. So as far as fishing, it's a good fishing platform if you want to fish off the bow. And also finishing up, we've got the spotlight as well as the Raymarine radar on it, and then you've got the outriggers as well. So the boat's loaded with everything you want. If you want to come down and see it, have any questions on it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.